Splitting on last delimiter in Python string. What's the recommended Python idiom for splitting a string on the last occurrence of the delimiter in the string? Example: my split takes a second argument, that is the occurrence of the delimiter to be split. Like in regular list indexing, -1 means the last from the end. How can this be done?
Use .split or .repartition instead. str.split lets you specify how many times to split, while str.repartition only splits once but always returns a fixed number of elements, prefix, delimiter and postfix, and is faster for the single split case. Demo. Both methods start splitting from the right-hand side of the string. By giving str.split a maximum as the second argument, you get to split just the right-hand most occurrences. If you only need the last element, but there is a chance that the delimiter is not present in the input string or is the very last character in the input, use the following expressions. If you need the delimiter gone even when it is the last character, I'd use This uses the fact that string.repartition returns the delimiter as the second argument only if it was present, and an empty string otherwise.
You can use split to get the string from reverse. I just did this for fun. Caution, refer to the first comment in below where this answer can go wrong.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.